start. The present appeal arises out of an order dated 14/10/2011 passed by the Division Bench of the High Court of Delhi, whereby the order of premature retirement passed against the respondent was set aside. Stop para. The respondent, head constable Om Prakash was prematurely retired on 16/8/2011 in exercise of the powers conferred under Rule 56J of the Fundamental Rules read with Rule 48(1)(b) of SCC Pension Rules 1972 after completion of 30 years of service. Stop. The order is to the effect that the Superannuation Review Committee under Rule 48(1)(b) of the rules found the writ petitioner not fit to continue in service beyond 30 years of qualifying service with immediate effect. Stop para. In the writ petition challenging such order, the High Court set aside the order of premature retirement on the ground that the writ petitioner was promoted as head constable on 14/6/2000 and thus penalties imposed prior to the year 2000 have to be ignored while determining suitability of the writ petitioner to be retained in service. Stop. The two penalties of sleeping on duty and overstaying leave by 2 days were inflicted in the year 2005 and 2008 respectively, which were minor penalties. Stop para. The annual confidential reports grading of the writ petitioner in the preceding 5 years have to be considered with greater focus while noticing the fact that even earlier ACRs had to be taken into consideration. Stop. The ACRs from 1990 till the year 2009 were either good or very good. Stop. The ACR of the year 2010 was graded average, but the same was not conveyed to the writ petitioner. Stop. Therefore, such ACR could not be taken into consideration while arriving at an opinion that the writ petitioner is a dead wood. Stop para. The High Court referred to a 3-judge bench judgment of this court reported as Vaikuntnath Das and another versus Chief District Medical Officer, Baripada and another's, wherein it has been held that the order of compulsory retirement is not a punishment. Stop. It implies no stigma nor any suggestion of misbehavior. Stop. The order of compulsory retirement is in public interest and is passed on the subjective satisfaction of the government and is not liable to be quashed by the court merely for the reason that uncommunicated adverse remarks were taken into consideration. Stop para. We find that the High Court has completely misdirected itself while setting aside the order of premature retirement of the writ petitioner. Stop. The writ petitioner has been awarded number of punishments prior to his promotion, including receiving illegal gratification from a transporters while on duty in the year 1993. Stop. There are also allegations of absence from duty and overstaying of leave. Stop para. After promotion, a punishment of 4 days fine was imposed on the charge of sleeping on duty and 2 days fine was imposed for overstayed from joining time. Stop. Apart from the said punishment, the writ petitioner has a mixed bag of ACRs such as average, below average, satisfactory, good and very good. Stop. In the last 5 years, he has been graded average for the period 1/1/2010 to 31/12/2010.